Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about binary adder and binary subtractor. Okay. Binary adder is a digital circuit used to perform binary addition. This is the block diagram for 4-bit binary adder. Okay. In this we are adding two 4 bits binary data. Okay. So to construct 4-bit binary adder, we need 4 full adders, or you can use 3 full adders and 1 half adder. To add LSB bit, you can use half adder or full adder with carry 0. Okay. A32 A0 is the binary data A, B32 B0 is the binary data B, S32 S0 is the output sum. When you add two 4 bits binary value, you will get 5 bits. Okay, so C4 is the 5th bit, carry out of 4-bit binary adder. Okay, or carry out of 4th full adder. That's the final carry. Okay, A0 B0 are applied to first full adder. Here we are setting carry in is equal to 0. Okay, so first full adder adds A0 B0 and C0. The result will be S0 and C1. S0 is the sum, C1 is the carry. Okay, this carry is applied to second full adder. Second full adder adds the A1, B1 and C1. The result will be S1 and C2. S1 is the second output. Okay, C2 is applied to third full adder. Third full adder now adds A2, B2 and C2. The result will be S2 and C3. Okay, S2 is the sum bit, C3 is the carry bit. This carry bit is applied to again fourth full adder. Now the fourth full adder adds A3, B3 and C3. The result will be S3 and C4. Okay, so now we got S3 to S0 and C4. Okay, C4 to S0 is the final answer. Okay, when you add A3 to A0 and B3 to B0, you will get C4 to S0. Okay, S3 to S0 is the sum bit, C4 is the carry bit. Okay, so when you add two 4 bits binary value, you will get 5 bits data, C4, S3, S2, S1 and S0. Okay, this is the working of 4-bit binary adder. Okay, next we will see about binary subtractor. Okay, binary subtractor is used to subtract two binary datas. Okay, so in binary subtractor, subtraction can be performed by using full adder. Here I am using 2's complement method. Okay, by taking 2's complement for second data, you can do the binary subtraction. Okay, that method is followed here. Okay, so here we have 4 full adders. Okay, this is the block diagram for 4-bit binary subtractor. We have 4 full adder. Okay, A3 to A0 are applied to full adder. B3, B2, B1 and B0 are complemented. Okay, to take 2's complement, first you have to take 1's complement and then you have to add 1. Okay, so B3, B2, B1 and B0 are applied to NOT gate. Okay, so now you will get the 1's complement of B3, B2, B1 and B0. Now I am setting C0 is equal to 1 to get the 2's complement. Okay, now A plus 2's complement of B gives the A minus B. Okay. Now in the first full adder I am applying A naught, then B naught bar. Okay, the output of NOT gate is B naught bar and C naught. C naught is equal to 1. Okay, full adder adds A naught, B naught bar and 1. Then the result will be S naught and C1. S naught is the sum bit, C1 is the carry bit. Okay, in this we use full adder. Okay, the C1 is applied to second full adder. Second full adder adds A1, B1 bar and S1. Sorry, C1. Okay. Now the result will be S1 and C2. S1 is the sum bit, C2 is the carry bit. Okay. Second full adder adds A1, B1 bar, C1. The result will be S1 and C2. S1 is the sum bit of second full adder. C2 is the carry bit of second full adder. Now the carry is applied to third full adder. Now the third full adder adds A2, B2 bar and C2. Then the result will be S2 and C3. S2 is the sum bit, C3 is the carry bit. This carry bit is applied to fourth full adder. Now the fourth full adder adds A3, B3 bar and C3. Then the result will be S3 and C4. Okay. So S3 to S0 is the sum bit. Okay. Actually we get difference. Okay. When you subtract A and B, we will get the difference of A and B. Okay, so C4 to S0 is the difference of A and B. Okay, this gives the subtraction of two 4 bits data A and B. Okay, to take 2's complement we are using NOT gate for getting 1's complement. Then we are adding 1 by setting C0 is equal to 1. Okay, so this acts as a binary subtractor. Okay, thank you.